going to get this thing started. I do apologize for the fan in the background. It's not as bad as it has been in some previous videos, but it is hot down here and I apologize, but I do need a fan. So let's go. And like I said, I'm not too worried about radiator because I am buying a new one. And unfortunately, it's not made here in America. Let's set it over here. Okay. Take the fan shroud off. Okay, now if I am correct, I should be able to tap this and make this break loose, and put a little tension on here. There, so that should hold it. Now let me see if I can tap this frame rail and get the separate. Find something to, I can stand on the other side. Hopefully this will work. Right on. There it is. That's all it was. It just needed a little bit of persuasion. More than one way to skin a cat. All right, 10 fingers, 10 toes, still intact. All right, that's it. She's out of there. Well, off camera, I've got this secured with the chain. I've got everything ready to go. I think I've got all my tools that I need to do this. We're going to take our time, do this slow, because I am working by myself. So, let me get everything ready. And there will be a little bit of impact wrench noise, so just to let you know. I want to break everything loose and make sure that this motor does not start to drop. And then if it doesn't, then we're going to progress slowly until we've got it on the motor stand. trying to do the rest of this by hand, and hopefully it will separate easily. I think it wants to. I know I got the 2 1/2-inch bolts in the top, and I've got 8 on each side, and it does look like it's wanting to come loose. So, take a little, yeah, it's going to come loose. I just got to take this. Yeah, it's gonna break loose. I just got to take this off, and actually take some of the pressure off of here, and I should be able to slide it forward with this still intact. That way I'll have this to help support the weight of the motor. All right, let's see, yep, those 2 are out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking these out. Let's see. And once I get it off, I'm going to sit it on the stand after I get the clutch and pressure plate off of it, and that'll be it for the end of the video. Alright, let's see, I should have enough pressure off. Let's see if it'll separate. It looks like it wants to. Yep, there it is. Alright, that's good news. So, let's go ahead and finish this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way as well. There is a jack stand under the belly pump, so that's good. All right. A little heavier than I thought. I'll be ready for this one. All right, here we go. All right, easy, I hope. One right here. There's supposed to have been a nut on there, but it wasn't. let me see something. I'm gonna pause right here and re-engineer something right quick. I wanna make sure I got these out far enough that this thing doesn't tip forward. Good deal. Somebody, well, treasures, there's a bolt. That's the bolt I was looking for. I had the starter rebuilt and was putting it on and somehow dropped this down in the bell housing, and that's when I stopped. I said I would wait until I got to the point of rebuilding this thing before I run it anymore, because I did not want to get this caught in there. So good enough. I know this is the starter bolt I was looking for. Well, that's it for right now. I'm gonna get the flywheel, pressure plate, and all that stuff off this, and get this thing ready to go on the motor stand. So we're going to finish up. That's it for today. Thank everybody for watching. Thank you for your subscription, and thank you for giving me time out of your busy day to watch the video. So we're going to end here, and we'll pick up next time. We're going to start the, I don't know, we'll figure it out by the time the next video happens. So I've got a lot of tear down to do with the motor. I want to finish tearing down the front bolster. That front bolster is cracked. I want to see how bad it is cracked, because I've got a friend that can weld cast, and if it can be repaired, I'm going to use that one. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to bag and tag all my hardware and get everything ready to be cleaned up and go. And I'm going to set this motor on something so it's not all the weight's on the chain. So thanks again for watching, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the little button in the bottom. It's right over there. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, but a little time here and there to watch the videos, and I do appreciate it. Have a great afternoon from Old Red Tractors.